Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Let's begin. And action.
Awesome. We're just filming here a little video on the Volvo.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Shop truck or?
No, this is Mr. House truck.
Oh,
He just built the he just built it. He did it black PS5. So it looks great.
Looks really good.
Yeah, painted the wheels black as well. So this is the log.
Black chrome kind of thing.
Yeah, this is the log. What's it called, Mr. Howell? The log. Log hauler? Yeah. The log hauler. 750. Yeah, no worries. I'll see you there. Here's the 750. Really nice. Mr. Hell, I'm gonna just take a wild guess here. This is your favorite truck?
Actually,
No? Wow, this is one of my favorites.
I know. But
This is
my
one of
favorite favorite is my Canelo. That's the original. Oh yeah. That's just it was on grass and it was wrong.
This one is 69 and it's the 5,000.
and it does have a multi-function.
All right. Very nice. So you got this truck. You got this truck a long time ago. Yeah. Well, as soon as it got released, you picked it up, and it's all done. Finally, it's all done. But you added the actuator as well, right? Oh no, wait. This doesn't have the actuator. That's your other one. I'm so sorry. I confused it with the dump truck. So this doesn't use the actuator. This is just basically here as how you see it, just to put the logs in there. But the chains is nice. Yeah. This is metal. No, it's not. Is it? It looks good though. Yeah, that looks really good. But it just seems longer.
Yeah.
It seems a lot longer, right?
Yeah, top part, yeah.
Like it just seems a lot longer.
Yeah.
Yeah, it just seems a lot longer. It looks really nice. One of my favorites for sure. One of my favorites. Was it any more challenging building this, or no? Was it the same as the other trucks?
Pretty much the same until you got to put the rack in.
Okay, so everything about it was the same. I don't know, just something about it. It looks cool. Like I don't know if because this makes it look like boxier. You know, I don't know. It just looks cool. If you had logs there, it would look really nice.
Yeah, what's this weekend? Maybe cut some trees down.
Yeah, it looks great. It looks fantastic. Uh-oh. Oh, it's got the lights on. So you got the multi-function unit there. The North American one you mentioned, right?
Yeah, lighting all.
Wow.
Back has it
Wow. Did it come with this?
too. Yeah, it's an option. You can wire it in.
That's fantastic how he gives you that, eh?
I really like it.
Yeah, I like it too. I like it a lot. Wow. Can we see how she drives? Smooth. It sounds so smooth, huh? Probably one of the smoothest trucks.
All my trucks are
All of them? You put the ball bearings. What do you put? Differential oil or
No, I put bearings,
bearing
bearing grease.
grease?
Yeah.
Smooth.
Red bearing grease.
Like excessively smooth. That's cool. Mr. Hell, thank you for showing off your amazing truck. Wow. Are you ready?
Blah, blah, blah.
Excellent. So the truck itself looks very nice. It's did you get it like this, painted? Did you get it painted like this? Okay.
Still have to change the wheels and stuff like that.
Yeah. So you got the plastic ones here, but you got the aluminum ones back here.
Yeah.
But
Yeah, I'll bring it back once when I finish the job and get it going.
oh yeah, that's fine. It looks great. So this is the globe liner, but I don't know if this is stock, right? Or is it custom?
It's like frame's custom, but the body stock is stock. Yeah.
Oh, it's longer. The chassis is longer.
No, it just well, the chassis is just different. Just custom cut it.
Oh, all right. So yeah, it's definitely longer.
But it's the same length as the front liner.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, they feel like they're skinnier, like compared to the length, it's the same.
Is it? Okay.
Thanks for tuning into this episode of Amazing OC's Store YouTube channel. See you guys next time. Cut.
Good job, man. Good job.